G5 jet. I'm on my way to a brand new kit.
Welcome back. I am outside of our little studio. I've been recording in lately and in the car, but does make for a little more convenience. Now, with all that aside, Samsung, it looks like, is set to release. As you know, they have the FE series, which is basically a watered-down version of their flagship version. Basically similar and or same design or device, just with a few watered down specs just to keep the prices more affordable. Now they are planning on releasing an FE version of the Galaxy Buds, which I have which I love. I have quite a few. I think I've had almost every, in fact I have had every model or series of Galaxy Buds. They are phenomenal. They not only pair with your Samsung devices, but also pair with any Android device. Now, there's a maybe one or two extra specialty options that you can do with a paired to a Galaxy phone and or tablet or computer. But I've used them with Pixel devices and they work phenomenal. The best earbuds, period, hands down. I've tinkered with AirPods a few years ago. I haven't tried or purchased the newest ones that are available as of even this year, but the Galaxy Buds blow AirPods away just because of the sound quality and the battery life. These go for a good 10 hours. The Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus go for 12 hours. Now, this design for the FE, the Galaxy Buds FE, is gonna roll back and look like the Galaxy Buds Plus. If you remember the OG Galaxy Buds and the Galaxy Buds Plus, which was the second version, had the little silicone wingtip on there. When the version after the Galaxy Buds Plus, which were the bean looking design, they went away with the wingtip, and I was thoroughly disappointed because none of them fit my ear. These Galaxy Buds Pro 2 are the only real buds after the Galaxy Buds Plus that fit my ear. And these don't have a silicone wingtip, but these new Galaxy Buds FE will have a wingtip. So I'm very excited. I'm definitely going to get a pair. There was a leaked Amazon page that has they're going to be sold on Amazon and on the Samsung Galaxy website. Pricing is going to be set at $99, which is still considerably less than what these cost. I got these for $99 brand new on Amazon, but you got to wait for a sale. The sound quality on these are second to none. Now the FE versions that are coming out, like I said, brand new, are going to be $99. If you want to wait a few months, I'm sure the price will drop to $79 or something, which is still a steal. Because the battery life, the sound quality, and the fit should be phenomenal. Now, they are also, I think, going to be released when all the other FEs are going to be released here shortly. There's going to be the S23 FE. They're going to release two Samsung Galaxy tablet FEs for the first time, because every year in the past they would just release one size. This time they're going to have a small FE tablet, and a bigger FE tablet along with these earbuds. So you're going to have 4 FE devices released all at once. I honestly don't mess with the phone FE. Just why get a phone FE when you can get because the FEs are released like 6-8 months after the flagship, the flagship Galaxy is released. You can get a used flagship Galaxy for the same price you can get a new FE Galaxy. So, and it has premium components on the flagship. The FE phone has plastic back and stuff like that, but it's still a good device. I just don't. I've had one. I had the was it 21 or 22 FE? I can't remember, but. Very excited for the Galaxy Buds. I know a lot of people I've talked to just have never purchased them just because how expensive they are. this will bring the price down. And again, if you even want to wait a month or two, possibly 3 months, the price will go down to even more affordable, which is $70, I don't know, they'll probably drop at $70, $79, which is a steal, because these are they are a little pricey for cheap earbuds, but listen, these are absolute premium top of the line earbuds. Now, what features the FE earbuds will not have that these have? I'm sure there's some 360 movement tracking that won't be. Look, I'm sure these have, let's see, I'm going into my Galaxy wearable app. These have active noise canceling and ambient sound. I'm sure the FE will have, it'll probably have it won't have both, I guarantee you. It'll have one of the two. It'll either have active noise canceling or it will have ambient sound option. And then these have voice detect. These also have 360 audio with head tracking. I doubt the new ones the FEs are gonna have the 360 audio with head tracking, because that's exclusive, I believe, to these, and that's a brand new feature. That makes the audio sound awesome. And I usually just rock one at a time. I got either my left one in or my right one in, because I like to talk and have conversations while I'm still listening, even though you can put the options on. I just like to use one, and that's it. So now the release date is not known. Should be, I'm assuming, let's see, the new S24 Galaxies are coming out in January. So the FE earbuds should come out in, let's see, if the S24 is coming out in January, these FE earbuds and the tablets and the phone S23 FE should probably come out, I think, pretty soon. They just passed FCC certification, so I'm assuming they're going to be out within a month or so, I think, because you can't have the release close to the new Galaxy devices, devices, because that would interfere with those sales, and it's not going to be like tomorrow. They want to space out. The foldables just came out like 6 weeks ago, so it's probably, let's see, we're in late September, October. They'll probably come out in November, so probably like another 4 to 5 weeks, and I think they will announce it. Now, I don't think they have an unpacking event. I think they just release these to Amazon and their website. So definitely be on the lookout if you are in the market for some not so expensive premium earbuds, because these brand new were like $249. I'm not even paying $249 for earbuds. I waited forever, maybe 6 months. Now they're brand new, but I waited until they dropped down to sale on Amazon for $99, and I saw that, and boom, I immediately purchased them. But if you're in the market for premium earbuds that's not going to cost you an arm and a leg, I can guarantee you're going to love these new Galaxy Buds. I am a very, very strong proponent of Galaxy Buds. No matter if you have a Galaxy, they even work with iPhone. Now, you lose some of the features because you're now using them off of Android operating system. But if you have a Pixel, if you have a OnePlus device, if you have a Nothing device, go ahead, purchase these, and I guarantee you're not going to be disappointed. All you do is you download the Galaxy Wearable app. It's available on all Android phones. I even think it's available on iOS too. So if you want to use your Galaxy Buds on an iPhone or iPad, they have the Galaxy Wearable app. You download that app. It pairs it to your phone. You don't even have to go through the Bluetooth option in your settings. Just download the app, and it pairs everything up, and you're good to go. There's even an app for Windows computers. There's a Galaxy Wearable app for Windows computers. It pairs perfectly with Windows laptops and or PCs. And then also I believe there's a Galaxy Wearable app for Mac OS as well. So if you use them on a MacBook or iMac or what have you, that option is available there as well. Just so you get whatever device you have, you always use them. The sound quality is better than AirPods. The battery life is better than AirPods. Almost everything's better than AirPods. I mean, not saying that AirPods are shitty. I'm just saying, when you want the best of the best, You can't go wrong with these. I guarantee you. I'll put my name on that. I'll stamp my approval and my guarantee on these earbuds. I'm such a believer. I tried some other earbuds in like JLab and some other earbuds, you know, trying to save a penny or two here or there. And like when I first started like 5 years ago, when I first got my first pair, I was like, yeah, the Galaxy Buds are $20 more, but these JLabs look just as good. They're not. They just get Galaxy Buds and call it a day, and I promise you, you're not even gonna, you won't be disappointed. They're phenomenal. So even if you got to get them used, which that's your personal opinion. If you don't mind, just, you know, wipe them down with some alcohol when you get them in and go. As long as you have new tips, you can always buy tip replacements. As far as the little, not the wings that I'm talking about, but the actual tip, you know, that goes into your ear canal. Just buy a new set of those. Wipe down them with good alcohol and maybe an old toothbrush, maybe a teeny tiny bit, a drip of water, a drip of soap, nothing crazy. They are water resistant, but they're not waterproof. But just, you know, paper towel, alcohol, soap mixture should be fine, and you're ready to roll. So cannot go wrong with these. I'm home. I gotta go. I'm busy, man. I will see y'all later. Peace.